Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show a short video about this absolutely superb Triumph Tiger 900 GT Low. Here we have a Triumph Tiger 900 GT Low. This is a 2022 bike on a 22 plate with just 5,288 miles. One owner from new and a full service history. This bike's in good condition and comes with the Triumph Trekker Panniers, which are in good condition as well, as you can see. Absolutely massive panniers there, to be fair. Get loads of stuff in there for your weekends away. Seats are all good there, the paintwork on the petrol tank there, all good as well. There is a slight mark on the handguard and the mirror there, very, very light mark indeed, absolutely nothing to be concerned about. There's also a slight mark on the engine bar there, as you can see. So I'd say the bike's been sort of laid over at standstill rather than having any accident damage. Engine there, all good, no corrosion, no paint flaking off or anything like that. Standard exhaust on the bike as well. There are pictures of the bike on our website, motorcyclesuK.co.uk, if you want to see it without the panniers on. High resolution images, you can zoom in there as well. The rear wheel in excellent condition, and the rear tyre, bags of life left in that one there. There's also the rack there for the Triumph top box as well. We don't have the top box, but it is there if you wanted to buy it. This is just the GT, not the GT Pro, of course, but it is the low ride height version. So if you want an adventure bike and, like me, you're not blessed with being particularly tall, then this could very well be one for you to look at. Got rad guards there on the radiators and the exhaust there, no sign of any corrosion, and that's in great condition as well. The front wheel, no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches there. Brembo brakes, of course, anti-lock brakes on this Triumph Tiger 900, the mudguard in good condition as well, and the front wheel, front tyre, bags of life left in that one as well. The high-level mudguard, that's in good condition as well. You've got a lens protector there for the headlamp, and the screen is in good condition. No stone chips or anything like that. The left-hand side of the bike, that's in great condition as well. As you can see, no marks on the mirror on this side, or the bar end, or the engine bars either. They're all in good condition on this side. Obviously you've got the fog lamps there, LED fog lamps, and those Marzzochi forks all in good condition, and the wheel on this side again all in good condition. No corrosion on this left hand side of the bike either. Chain sprockets, plenty of life left in the chain sprockets there as well. No marks on the rear foot pegs, and your seats again, as I said, no rips or tears, and this left hand pannier again all in good condition. Top of the bike, here we go, all good. Petrol tank's in great condition as well, and you've got that Triumph tank protector. Big TFT colour dash, of course, on this bike with rider modes. You get cruise control and heated grips on this one as well. So if you are looking for an adventure bike with a low seat height, look no further than this absolutely superb Triumph Tiger 900 GT Low. So let's fire this one up and have a listen. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come on a current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this terrific Tiger, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.